Hey guys, today I have received ice cream subscription box. I'm sorry, this is a bag for $12.50 per month, and you receive 3 to 5 items. It's mainly makeup. You also receive skincare. Now there is also a box which is $25, and both have free shipping. You just pay the tax, 25 plus tax. 5 to 7 items come in the box. It's beauty and skincare. And you receive a palette in the box with every box. It's all full size and it's perfect for makeup lovers. There is a customization sometimes with the box, but it's not available every month. You cannot get a refund on a subscription, but you can cancel the subscription at any time. Both of the subscriptions, whether you get the bag for $12.50 or you get the box for $25, are billed on the 11th and they ship out on the 15th. Now this is my first ice cream bag, and I actually did cancel it before I received it. Not that I think it's going to be a bad subscription, but I think it's going to be a really good subscription, and I want to get the box instead. I think if there's some competition there with ice cream and BoxyCharm, but cancel BoxyCharm. So let's go ahead and see what I received in my bag. Yes, this is the Queen color eyeshadow palette, and I actually checked spoilers and I saw people open their bags, and I am so happy to have this. I wasn't sure when I subscribed if I was going to get March's or April's because of the time that I subscribed, but look how pretty this is. This is a palette in a $12.50 bag, $12.50. It has 16 color eyeshadows. Look at those pretty colors. Absolutely beautiful. It's going to end up in one of my giveaways, but I'm really happy to receive items like this for $12.50. Okay, so on to the next. All right, looks like another palette. What does that say? Go to Beauty Exposed 2. Oh, look how pretty. It has a mirror. Oh, my heavens. So this is looks like a facial palette. Look at the highlighter, that first one. Ooh, not sure. Not sure if I actually, I mean, I have so many is the problem. This is beautiful. I want it. It may end up in a giveaway. Not sure yet. But yeah, that's the second palette in a $12.50 bag. I like this subscription. Okay, so now on to the last item. And this is a Studio Glam Shadow Stick by the company Crown. Shade Wicked, which is that, I don't know, shimmery green. Looks like a liquid eye stick. Oh, how pretty. Beautiful. So those are the 3 items in this bag. That's definitely a good deal. I'm definitely pleased with this bag. So $12.50 free shipping. All you do is pay the tax. So I don't know, what did it come to? $13, $14, I'm not sure. But the card that came with it says that the 3 items are Be a Bombshell Queen palette for $38, Go to Beauty Exposed palette for $12, and then Crown Pro Glam Liner for $7. So the value is $57. So that's pretty good. So I'm really excited to try the $25 box now. So I do not have a referral code. I'm not even sure if the company does give a referral code to the regular subscribers, but I'll go ahead and put a link below for anyone who's interested in checking out ice cream. And thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about the subscription, and I'll see you in my next video.